Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to join store loyalty and VIP programs on Temu. So let's just get straight into the video. So joining loyalty and VIP style programs on Temu involves registering for a specific affiliate, influencer, or membership initiatives designed to offer discounts, free products, and rewards. So the first we're going to be talking about is Temu affiliate program, which is going to be high commission and discounts. This program is designed for individuals who want to earn commissions and get exclusive coupons. It is free and open to almost everyone. All you need to do is visit the official Temu affiliate program page, which is going to be affiliate.temu.com. Click the sign up to earn, fill in your details, and wait for approval, usually within 7 business days. The second is going to be Temu influencer program, which is going to give you free samples and perks, so targeted at content creators on social media like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. In order to join it, go to the Temu influencer program page, register, connect your social media accounts with the highest engagement, and wait for review. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.